What's up, YouTube? How's everybody doing? Cold myself. I haven't really been out in the garage because it's been cold. So we're going to do a quick restoration. Hopefully under this handle the scales look good. Got gloves on because I'm freezing out here. This is a perfect handle screwdriver. This tape looks like it's been on here for years. Why it's on here, I don't know. Okay, so let's take this over to the wire brush, clean it up, then we'll scrape it off. See what she looks like underneath. It looks pretty straight. It's got brass pins. Okay. This says Lenox 6 or 9. One of the two. It's in really good shape. It's going to be a user, definitely. Gotta straighten that out a little bit. Oh, sorry. If you could, like, comment, subscribe, all that. If you don't like it, let me know why. This is a Lenox number, I don't know if it's a 6 or a 9. But it turned out straight. Alright, I'll see you on the next one. Have a good weekend.